The National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights welcomes you to an enlightening presentation for fathers in trying situations. Join us for a private audience discussion with Mr. Dennis Gack, founder of the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights, and questions by Mike Hill, an NBFR associate. On this audio companion CD, Dennis will give you insights into a wide variety of fathers' rights cases. Mr. Gack has authored the 9 books in the complete Father's Rights Protection System that you've received. He has an extensive legal background with 20-plus years in family law and specifically in fathers' rights cases. He's a source of knowledge that even practicing attorneys turn to for insight and valuable information. This audio companion CD provides legal information, and our information is not to take the place of individual legal advice as obtained by an attorney. This CD is a fast-track primer, giving you a quick review of many common fathers' rights issues. Let's listen in now.
Now, my other question would be, if I wanted a lawyer to come to court with me or to represent me or to help me, how do I pick the right lawyer? More often than not, I've had people call me up and they've just gone to the yellow pages and it didn't work out for whatever reason, but how should they interview a lawyer to know that he would be doing the best job possible for him?
Well, basically, you want, no matter where you are in the country, you want an attorney that's cooperative. You want somebody that's going to follow your direction and represent what you want. All too often, if you don't give your attorney direction, he's going to do things according to the way he thinks it should be done. And that may not necessarily be in agreement with what you want. People don't realize that when you have an attorney, that attorney has the legal right to make decisions for you in your case. Contrary to popular belief, you don't really control your attorney. Your attorney kind of controls you in a case like this, unless you become a co-counsel or you have an agreement with a cooperative attorney. And we get calls all the time, as you know, Mike. Guys will call up, can you refer me to a local attorney? Well, we do attorney referrals. But more importantly than that, what I suggest is go through the yellow pages, talk to family and friends, make a number of phone calls, and I'm talking about not less than maybe 8 or 10 phone calls. Feel comfortable with an attorney. First thing you want to tell them is say, look, I've got an idea about what I want to do. I got an idea what I want. I want you to help me do that legally. Are you willing to take direction from me? Will you try to represent what I want? Are you cooperative? And then from there, it's a gut feel, Mike. It's kind of like if you feel comfortable with the guy, roll with him, give him a chance. But as we were talking briefly on break there a few minutes ago, we talked about help your attorney out. The attorneys can be very good based upon how you use them. If you don't, the more you learn about your case, the more effective and more help you can be to your attorney. And attorneys are as good as you make them or use them.
It's kind of a partnership, that's what you're saying.
Absolutely. It's a partnership. And a lot of guys go into an attorney, throw a bunch of money at him and think he's going to wave a wand over the problem and it's all going to go away. That just isn't very realistic. Attorneys are very well-meaning, very well-educated guys. They want to help, but if you don't help them help you, you're screwed.
Okay. Thanks.
Well, to summarize, guys, that's about it for this tape. This outline was presented to you as a fast track for your case, and like I said, all the details are included in the Father's Rights Protection System. That'll help you in your case even more. I wanted to thank you all for listening, and if you have any questions, call the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights.
This presentation has been brought to you by the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights. Thank you for listening.